do you want from me? I need to show you something. What is it? Here. What the Who is this? Her name's Keiko. Is she so cute, Birdie? Next, please. Oh, shit. His name is Night Boy. What do you think? It's actually cute. We're out of here. You're my love. You're my love. You're my love. Please. You're almostly done, right? Yeah. Maybe I'll make 34 12 birds coming soon. So anyways, enjoy. Oh my god. Aww. Who's that? Oh shit. Oh. Okay. This is me and you? Remember?
This is
Oh my god! This is you and me? This is me and you, remember?
This is not the you that I remember.
You don't remember? I'm sorry, it's bedtime. Wait, no! God damn it.